In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your Firefox browser settings for improved performance and smoother browsing. Whether you've noticed some sluggishness or you're just eager to keep your browser running at its best, these steps will help you fine-tune Firefox settings and ensure your online experience is as fast and seamless as possible. First, let's begin by opening up Firefox. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll spot what we commonly refer to as the hamburger menu, a button that resembles 3 stacked lines. Give that a click and then select Settings from the drop-down menu that appears. This is where you can control many aspects of Firefox's behavior, including performance. Now that you're in the Settings menu, you'll want to adjust the performance settings of Firefox. On the left-hand side, you'll see a variety of categories. Go ahead and click on General. As you scroll down through the general settings, keep your eyes peeled for the Performance section. Here, you'll likely see that Use Recommended Performance Settings is checked by default. To enable more detailed performance management, simply uncheck this option. This allows Firefox to provide a more customized approach to resource management. Next, it's time to address your cache and cookies, which can be another factor in slowing down your browser. We will head back to the main settings page to proceed. From there, click on Privacy and Security. Let your gaze drift downward until you find the Cookies and Site Data section. Here, you'll want to click on Clear Data to remove stored web information that can bog down the browser. This step is not only great for speed, but it's also a good practice to maintain a degree of privacy. With your cache cleared, our next focus is on extensions and the tabs you've got open. Head up to the menu once more, and this time, select Add-ons and Themes. Go through your list of installed extensions. If there are any that you don't regularly use or that seem to have a significant impact on performance, consider disabling or outright removing them to free up resources. Also, take a moment to close any tabs that you're not actively using. If you often have a multitude of tabs open, you might find the Auto Tab Discard add-on useful, as it helps manage tab performance by unloading tabs that aren't in use temporarily. By following these straightforward steps, you'll give your Firefox browser a tune-up that should result in a noticeable improvement in performance. Although this won't transform your browsing speed overnight, you should feel a smoother, more responsive experience as you navigate the web. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more performance tips and tech insights.